water pouring. Um, green. Some schools should be foamy. So this is a and then this bowl doesn't have a handle, so this is like a tray. So always put the left hand. Ask you, how did you like? How do you like it? And you should beautiful. Hot tea. When you drink something hot, you feel calm and relaxed. Even in summer, I recommend you sometimes drink something hot. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy, stay well, stay home.